Hello and welcome to this video where I'll be sharing my thoughts on trading. My goal is to provide you with insights on the complexities of the trade and how you can adopt an effective approach to day trading. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to approach your trades and make informed decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with my latest content. The first topic I want to address is a common pitfall when it comes to trading. It's the temptation to rely solely on technical indicators. While they might seem like a convenient tool, they can often be lagged and untrustworthy when making trading decisions. When I first started, I made the mistake of relying on a random set of indicators without truly understanding price action. This was a major mistake, as I was being lazy and hoping for a magic combination of indicators to make me rich. Price action comes first. That's why it's important to understand that price action should always come first. Even if you choose to use an indicator-based strategy, it's crucial to spend time learning price action, as it will benefit you in the long run. Indicators can be a useful tool, but only when you understand the price action behind them. Trading correctly. Here's a simple rule to keep in mind: if a trade affects your sleep, you're not trading correctly. The right trade size should allow you to place it, set stop loss and take profit orders, and then go to sleep peacefully. On the other hand, if you find it hard to sleep or constantly thinking about the trade, then it's too big. As a new trader, it's common to feel pressure throughout the day, especially when a trade is open. To control stress, you need to control your position size and keep your risk lower. Evaluating different timeframes. Another important aspect of day trading is evaluating different timeframes. It's not enough to just look at one timeframe when trading short term. Zooming out to see the bigger picture helps confirm a trend and make better informed decisions. If you see a good trade on an M15 chart, for instance, check how it looks on the hourly and H4 charts. Sometimes an opportunity may be less obvious on a smaller chart, but more obvious when you zoom out. Avoid emotional exits. Lastly, avoiding emotional exits is crucial. It's easy to get carried away by emotions and make impulsive decisions, especially when you're down a few points. But it's important to filter out the noise and give your trades enough time to come through. Always question yourself if your decisions are based on emotions or technicals or fundamentals. Additionally, learning about the Kelly formula can be useful in determining the right risk amount for each trade. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful in your journey as a trader. Remember, understanding price action should always come first, and always keep an eye on different time frames. And finally, avoid emotional exits and focus on making informed decisions. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates.